हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू? दिस इज़ अथर स्पीकिंग। ये जो वीडियो है मैं उर्दू लैंग्वेज में कर रहा हूँ, हिंदी में, ताकि थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को समझ आ जाए। ये हमारा बुंडूरा का टेस्टिंग स्टेशन है, ठीक है। आपके सामने एक गाड़ी निकल रही है। मैं कुछ रूट्स में आपको आज लेके जाऊँगा एंड आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन कि थोड़ी बहुत गलतियाँ जो यहाँ पे लर्नर्स करते हैं वो नहीं होनी चाहिए। लेट्स एग्जिट विक रोड्स। ऑलराइट, ऑलवेज चेक लेफ्ट साइड, राइट साइड. It's okay to go. Signal miss नहीं करना. Do not miss your signals. Okay. There's already a car in front of us, so we will wait a bit. Okay. Now let the pedestrian go. Alright. We have a giveaway sign. यहाँ पे giveaway का sign है, ठीक है। देखिए स्टीयरिंग मैंने टर्न किया, फिर से सिग्नल कैंसिल हो गया, अगेन लगाइएगा उसको। नोट, ऑलरेडी उस साइड पे दो कार्स हैं, राइट साइड पे, तो हम एग्जिट नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। ये देखिएगा, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, ऑलरेडी दो कार्स हैं। अगर मैं जाऊँगा तो आई विल बी एंड अप बीइंग half of the car will be obstructing the traffic coming from the right side, so I will not go until there is only one car. एक कार चलेगी, now I can go provided there is nobody coming from the left side. नहीं आ रहा, let's go. ओके, ये देखिए मैं टर्न कर रहा हूँ, दोनों साइड्स के मैंने मीडियंस को बचाया है। ऑलराइट, नाउ अगेन स्टीयरिंग सीधा किया, सिग्नल कैंसिल हुआ, नाउ वी विल टर्निंग राइट। व्हेन एग्जिटिंग बुंडूरा दे विल ओनली आस्क यू टू टर्न राइट फ्रॉम द मेन रोड। ओके, अब यहाँ थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, ये देखिएगा, ये राइट साइड में हमारे पास गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हैं, ठीक है, ठीक है, कार्स आ भी रही हैं। आपने क्या करना है, स्लोली स्लोली आगे जाएं और देखें राइट साइड से कोई आ तो नहीं रहा। देखिए फिर एक गाड़ी आ रही है, कि क्लियरली सी कि गाड़ी आ रही है, ठीक है। लेफ्ट साइड ऑलमोस्ट हमें क्लियर होती है, राइट साइड देखिए वो एक और रेड गाड़ी आ रही है। वी विल वेट, नाउ दे आर टर्निंग लेफ्ट, सो हम गाड़ी निकाल देंगे फ़ौरन से। अच्छा, ये बुंडूरा से निकलता है, यू विल सी देयर विल बी पेडेस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग। ये थोड़ी सी ब्लाइंड स्पॉट होते हैं, अगर राइट साइड पे गाड़ी खड़ी हो, स्लो डाउन, चेक बोथ साइड्स एंड देन गो। कई दफ़ा यहाँ से निकलते ही लर्नर्स का टेस्ट फेल होता है, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो हाउ टू निगोशिएट विद दिस ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग्स। क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपसे कोई पूछ के नहीं चलेगा, दे विल स्टार्ट मूविंग बिकॉज दिस इज़ देयर राइट टू मूव। ऑलराइट, चलिए जी, लेफ्ट टर्न करेंगे, ये स्कॉलर्स रोड है। अगेन गाड़ी की पोजीशन हमेशा थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट पे रखें व्हेन टर्निंग लेफ्ट। दिस इज कॉल्ड मैनेजिंग द लेटरल पोजीशनिंग ऑफ द कार, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक अ यू टर्न फ्रॉम द अपकमिंग राउंड अबाउट, सिग्नल लगा के, और सिग्नल लगा के हमने चेक करना है राइट साइड से कोई गाड़ी ना आ रही हो, ठीक है, राउंड अबाउट में। इफ नोबडी इज कमिंग और ऑलरेडी इन द राउंड अबाउट, वी विल कीप टर्निंग। लेफ्ट साइड के लिए हम राइट से आ रहे हैं, सो दे विल स्टॉप फॉर अस, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। राउंड अबाउट में कभी भी अपना फुट जो है, डो नॉट प्लेस देम ऑन द गैस अंटिल इट इज़ रियली रियली नीडेड। ये हमारा यू टर्न हो गया, एंड टू एंड हमारा सिग्नल भी चलता रहा। लेट्स गेट गोइंग। ओके, here they might say, आपको बोल सकता है प्लीज़ टर्न लेफ्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रीट, सो वी विल पुट आवर लेफ्ट सिग्नल्स ऑन। देखिए वो लेफ्ट की गाड़ी ने ऑलरेडी अपनी पोजीशन ऑन द लेफ्ट रखी हुई थी। ओके, दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट यू गाइस टू डू, कीप द पोजीशन ऑफ द कार ऑन द लेफ्ट, check right side, some cars are coming, so we will not move. अभी लेफ्ट साइड से कोई खास नहीं आ रही, I will start moving. In Victoria where you can't see any sign for the speed, the basic speed is, the base speed is 50, all right, but I would recommend do not go more than 40-45, 5 किलोमीटर हमेशा लेस रखें, all right। यहाँ पे एक बैंड आता है, ये बुडोरा BMW के सामने, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल, यहाँ थोड़ा स्लो हो जाएं। ओके, एंड दे माइट आस्क यू टू टर्न राइट। हमेशा हमने टर्न राइट करना होता है, थोड़ा सा एल शेप टर्न लेके, ये देखिएगा, ऐसे आगे जाके थोड़ा सा अब मैं टर्न करूँगा, क्रॉस टर्निंग नहीं करनी, ओके। Now they will ask you, they might ask you to turn right next street. वही, we will not do cross turning, हम आगे से आके and then we will turn right. एक गाड़ी 3 पॉइंट टर्न कर रही है, ठीक है, let them do it, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, let them do it. Remember, अब मैंने गाड़ी स्टॉप कर ली है इस ब्लैक कार के पीछे, I want them to do the 3 पॉइंट टर्न, ठीक है। अब मैंने जब यहाँ से मूव करना होगा, I have to put my right signals on. Now I have to put my right signals on, क्योंकि गाड़ी स्टेशनरी पोजीशन में आ गई है. Now I have to put my right signals on to get moving straight, okay? Remember this. Whenever you come to a complete stop, if you want to give some people space, the cars, now you have to put your right signals on and then get moving. I will show you. Okay, now let's get moving. Signals are the way of communicating with other road users. Signals मिस नहीं कीजिएगा. ये देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे सिग्नल इसलिए लगाया because the road is already bending on the left side. Okay, let's get going. Slow down. 20 is for the speed breakers. Now they might ask you to do a 3-point turn here. First of all, put your left signals on. Center mirror को देख के pull over on the left side. Okay, this is curb to curb I am doing. Then you have stopped. Put your right signals on. Check your center mirror, your right mirror, and your shoulders, right shoulders, and keep on going until the end. Okay, whenever you are reversing, always check the center mirror and the back of the car by turning your head. If it's looking good, use your camera if you want. Otherwise, use your peripheral view. And now when moving off, finally put your right signals on, check the left side for any cyclist and get going. This is your 3-point turn. One more thing guys, when they ask you to pull over on the left side, you don't have to pull over immediately. Find a safe spot. Like if they pull over on the left side, if they say what you will do, you will put your left signals on. See, I will not park in front of anyone's driveway, so I will park on the left side. You don't need to be too close to the curb so that you don't hit the curb, because hitting the curb means that test will immediately fail. Here you go, we have stopped. Secure the car. Secure means putting in parking and raising the handbrake. Cancel the signals. Now secure. Alright. Now they might ask you, okay, you have passed the stage 1 of the test. Let's move to stage 2. Alright. So when moving off from the curb, you must put your right signals on. Alright. Check your center mirror, right mirror, shoulders, and then get going. The car is coming from the front. We will let them go and then we will keep moving. Alrighty. Alright, end of the street, turn right. Let's turn right. Check both sides and then turn right. Again we are, now they might ask you to turn right. Keep left means always turn right from the left side. Okay, we will check both sides. Both sides are clear, all good, because there is no stop sign. Even if you don't have stop signs, it's a must to slow down, look, and then go. Okay, and let's get going. From this roundabout upcoming, they might ask you to turn left. So put your signals on, check your right side for any cars. No cars, nobody is in the roundabout, so we'll keep turning. Okay. Always drive slowly, like 40-45, but be on the left side, because this is where we drive in Australia. Okay, let's keep going, keep going. Always try to maintain your speed. If you go 20 km below the speed limit, which is 50 here, and you're going 20, 25 or 30, the test will fail. based on points. Okay, so be careful. Okay, we will get going. In the test, they might ask you to do a reverse parallel or 3-point turn, but they will never ask you to do both of them. So bear in mind, it's their will what they want you to do. Right, let's keep on going. Follow the natural course of the road. If they are keeping quiet, alright, keeping quiet means we will just follow the natural course of the road. Okay. Alright, let's get going. At the end of the street, please turn right. Now this is the main street, Lancar Avenue. So what we will do, we will keep on checking the right side and the left side. No cars coming. We will turn right. As soon as the car is straight, I will speed up because we cannot crawl in a 50 zone. I hope this video will be very helpful for the newcomers and new aspirants of license. But always try to have like some lessons with the instructor, even though if you have been driving for more than 5-10 years in your countries, but you need to know Australian rules and regulations and the test route. So I always recommend minimum 5 lessons if you want to pass the test in the first go, so that you understand all the routes. In Bundoora we have like 3 or 4 routes. I'm taking you the first one. Next street, please turn left. They will ask you, so put your signals on. Here they might ask you to turn right. Check both sides. Lateral position for turning right is always keep the car on the right side. No cars coming from both sides, so we will keep on going. The best time to book the test in Bundoora is from 9:30 to 1 p.m. Before 9:30 it's school time. After 2:30 p.m. school time, so avoid school times. We are doing 40-45 kilometers per hour. This is the ideal speed. Okay. The cleaning car is truck is stopped, so we will just cross this one. Let's turn left here. So I'm always keeping the car on the left side, slightly the face of the car is on the left when we are turning left. So there are points for lateral positioning. Okay. Now at the end of the street we will be turning right. I must check both sides because this is called a T intersection. We have got the giveaway sign. It means we have to give way to all the cars coming from the left and right sides. Okay, one car is turning left, so I can turn right. Now guys, when we are on this graduate road, remember they might ask you, so what they will say, that at the upcoming traffic light, please turn right using the left lane. Let me show you how they will ask you to do, okay? How they want you to do. Alright, so turn right using the left lane. So there are 2 lanes. We are turning right using the left one, okay? And when you will stop here, they will say, please end up in the left lane. So there are 3 lanes on the Plenty Road. Right, middle one, the center one, and the left one. Now we are turning right. Okay, signal is green. So they want us to end up in the left lane and just take a wider turn and end up in the far left lane. So this is the left lane. Okay, keep on going. In case they want you to turn left at the traffic lights, there will be a green arrow, so turn right, left. If they don't, we continue straight. This is another route if you turn left, but I want to take you the route number 1 today. Always stop at least like 1 or 2 feet away from the stop line. can see learners cars coming from the left side from the route number 2. Now turn it's green signal, we will keep on going. It's a 70 zone, try not to go more than 65. There is no penalty for going 5 or 10 km less than the speed limit, but the test will immediately fail if you exceed 5 kilometers above the speed limit, even for like couple of 3 seconds, maybe couple seconds or 3 seconds. At the upcoming traffic light, please turn left. So put your left signals on. As soon as the left turning lane starts, you have to jump in, okay? No need to take any head checks from the left side because there is no lane behind this one. Now here, we have a giveaway sign. There is no pedestrian, we will go at the end. Now there we can expect cars coming from the right side to two sides. No cars coming, we will keep on going. Some idiots will always be honking at the back. Please bear in mind, if somebody honks at the back, the test will not cancel because we are doing our checks, safety checks. So do not confuse, do not press brakes or accelerator immediately if somebody honks you at the back. Don't worry about it. Although they can fairly see the learner's plate at the front and the back, but there are people who will try to honk. The signal is red, so we will stop. It's a 70 zone, Mickey Beach Road, so try to immediately move to 60, 65. If you are doing 60 in a 70 zone, no penalty for that one, okay? Now at the roundabout, we will turn right. The stage 1 of the test might last for 10 to 12 minutes or 13 minutes. Stage 2 will be lasting for almost the similar timings, okay? Roundabout, we are turning right. Okay. Now at the upcoming roundabout, if they are keeping quiet, it means we will follow the natural course of the road, which is going straight ahead. Just check your right side, nobody is coming towards us. All good, we'll keep on going. You can see 50 sign, so we will not go more than 40, 45. Less than 40 is not good, 40, 45, all good. So we technically, we cannot do 20 in a 50 zone. All right, or 50 in a 70 zone, or like 50 or 60 in a 80 zone. Roundabout, nobody is coming from the right side, we will continue. They might ask you to turn right the next street after the roundabout, so we are turning right, and we will do an L-shaped turn. We will not cross turn. Okay. Since this is route number 1 from Bundura, they might ask you to take a U-turn from the upcoming roundabout. Put your signals on at least 2 seconds before entering the roundabout or doing your maneuver. Check the right side, nobody is coming. Safely check the left side. We will keep on turning slowly. Again, do not press brake, do not press gas while you are in the roundabout, okay? Just be mindful. Now at the end of the street, please turn left. We are turning left by keeping the car face on the left side. There is a car coming from the right side, so we will slow down. We will stop. Now let's keep on going. The roundabout, nobody is coming from the right side. Please check right side. All good. Let's get going. Again, it's a 50 zone, all right? And the road is slightly going down. It means the speed will increase by itself. So we are the one who will be controlling the speed for ourselves, okay? So speed can be controlled either by pressing the brakes or just moving your foot away from the gas. Now let's turn left. Again, bada roundabout hai. Check your right side. Nobody is coming. There are some cars coming. So we'll wait for them. Let them go. This is Mickey Mouse Road. You can see 70 sign. So we will increase the speed to close to 60. Okay. That's how we do it. यहाँ पे भी आप स्पीड मेंटेन रखिए अपने 60 65 की इफ़ यू कैन. ऑलराइट, डू नॉट गो 50 इन 70 जोन. अवॉइड करें. सेंटर मिरर को चेक करते रहे हैं बिफोर ब्रेकिंग. मस्ट है. अगर आप सेंटर मिरर चेक नहीं कर रहे, यू माइट लूज पॉइंट्स एंड योर टेस्ट विल बी एंडेड with failure based on points. So be mindful. अपने इंस्ट्रक्टर की बात सुने और सेंटर मिरर को बिफोर ब्रेकिंग यू मस्ट चेक योर सेंटर मिरर. जस्ट गिव इट अ ग्लांस. वी डोंट वांट यू टू स्टिक टू द सेंटर मिरर ऑल द टाइम. यहाँ पे आपको बोलेगा एंड ऑफ द मिकी माउस रोड पे कि प्लीज़ टर्न लेफ्ट इनटू द मिडल लेन. सो वो आपसे कह रहा है कि टर्न लेफ्ट करो प्लेंटी रोड के मिडल लेन में. ओके. अब देखिए हमारे सामने पेडेस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग है. कोई पेडेस्ट्रियन नहीं है तो हम एंड में जाके खड़े होंगे. देखेंगे राइट साइड तो कोई नहीं आ रहा. नोबडी इज़ कमिंग. सो विल एंड अप इन द मिडल लेन. ये हो गया आपका मिडल लेन. ठीक है. नाउ दे विल आस्क यू टू चेंज लेन. प्लीज़ मूव टू द राइट लेन. सो राइट सिग्नल लगाया मैंने. सेंटर मिरर देखा, राइट मिरर देखा, घूम के अपना शोल्डर देखा. नोबडी. आई विल कीप ऑन मूविंग स्लोली, कैंसिलिंग द सिग्नल्स. ओके. अब वो आपको बोलता है लेट्स मूव टू द लेफ्ट लेन व्हेन सेफ. सो हम ये सिग्नल रेड है हो गया. हम यहाँ पे स्टॉप करेंगे. एज सुन एज वी क्रॉस द सिग्नल वी विल पुट आवर लेफ्ट सिग्नल्स ऑन एंड वी मूव टू द लेफ्ट लेन. ओके. Remember, when they ask you to change lane, you have to change lane. There is not an option that you don't want to change lane because there are cars. So how to let other road users know that you want to come to the left side is by putting your left signals on. Alright. Let's put left signals on and let them know that we want to move to the left lane. कुछ cars हैं, they are not giving me the way. It's okay. Center mirror, left mirror, shoulder, all good. Let's speed up. So when changing lanes, you can slow down a bit, but we don't expect you to come down to 30 or 40 in an 80 zone when changing lane. Okay. Be careful. And always try to brake gradually. No hard braking. They will ask you to move to the right lane when safe. So let's put right signals on. I'm slowing down a bit. I'm checking my center mirror, right mirror, my shoulder. All clear. I will move in. Now the entire traffic is going at a speed of 60 in a 80 zone. So this is called going with the flow of the traffic. It's okay to go with the flow of the traffic. Don't worry about it. Okay. At the next traffic light, please take a U-turn into the middle lane. So what you will do, you put your right signals on. We can see an upcoming traffic light. As soon as the turning lane starts, we will go in. Patiently wait, okay? So what is the safe distance from the other cars? If you can still see their tires touching the ground, that's a safe distance. I can still see their tires touching the ground, so it's a good distance to keep. Let's patiently wait. When the signal will turn green, the arrow, only then we will move. Alright? Provided all the cars are gone. Always stop on yellow light, okay? So do not cross the signal at yellow light during the test, because yellow means it's time to stop. Okay, so if you cross the yellow light, immediately it turns red, the test will fail. Avoid this one during the test. Just be on a safer side. Now after turning from here, actually your examiner is taking you back to Vic Roads. On the way back to Vic Roads, I will also tell you some stuff which we need to be careful about. Until unless we have stopped the car at the Bandura testing station or any testing station where you are taking the test, please bear in mind that don't think we have passed the test until the very last moment when you switch off the car. Alright, green signal, we are going. There was a car turning left from there, so I have given them the way. Now we are entering into the middle lane, so that's where they wanted us to be. Now they will ask you to move to the left lane. Please move to the left lane when safe. So center mirror, left mirror, shoulder, good to go. So it is slightly downhill when we are coming back to Vic Roads on Plenty Road. Alright, so be careful with the speeds. I'm going 70. It's time to slow down because the cars are stopped because of the red signal. Keep a safe distance from the cars. It's a 70 zone, 80 zone, sorry. Now see, it will be converting into a 70 zone. That's why when you are Plenty Road, my advice is never go beyond 70. See, it has converted into 70. Now if you're still going 75, test will cancel. So be careful. अपनी स्पीड को हमेशा ध्यान में रखें. 3 seconds के लिए भी अगर आप ऊपर चले गए स्पीड लिमिट से, your test will cancel. अभी जब भी मैं ब्रेक दबा रहा हूँ, आई एम चेकिंग माई सेंटर मिरर. सो हमने बताना है एग्जामिनर को जो कि पीछे बैठा होगा, लेफ़्ट साइड पे आपके एग्जामिनर बैठे होंगे, सॉरी आपके जो आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर हैं वो बैठे होंगे, उनके बैक साइड पे बैठे होंगे एग्जामिनर. सो हमने अपनी गर्दन घुमा के अपना सर हेड टर्न करके बताना है उनको कि वी नो द रूल्स, कि कैसे चेक करते हैं सेंटर मिरर को, कैसे चेक करते हैं शोल्डर्स को. Try not to wear sunglasses in the test if it is inevitable. क्योंकि वो फिर उसको नॉट एप्लीकेबल आ जाएगा आपकी हेड चेक्स को, सॉरी नॉट हेड चेक्स विद द सेंटर मिरर, so that could create a problem for you. बहुत ज़्यादा कार करीब खड़ी करने से, पार्क करने से ट्रैफिक लाइट पे आपका टेस्ट फेल नहीं होगा, बट ट्राई टू कीप अ सेफ डिस्टेंस। अभी टोटल हमारे 32 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं ऑलमोस्ट, सो प्रॉब्ली बिटवीन 28 to 34 minutes टेस्ट एंड्स। नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक टू विक रोड्स। जो वापसी पे विक रोड्स की एंट्री है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई विल शो यू व्हाट दे विल आस्क यू टू डू, और 99% इसी तरह एंट्री होती है। आप नोट कर रहे होंगे देयर आर सम ट्रक्स एंड कार्स ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड जो सर्विस लेन से आ रहे हैं। यू आर नॉट बाउंड टू गिव देम वे इफ द सिग्नल इज ग्रीन, ऑलराइट, अदरवाइज यू विल बी गेटिंग honk from the back, which you don't want. Okay, let's get going. So there's the car on the left side, we will not give them way. Okay, now they will ask you to please turn left after the traffic lights into the service road. All right, please turn left. Try to avoid these yellow lines. ये जो बस की पार्किंग है, ऑलरेडी हम कर सकते हैं इसमें 100 मीटर behind before turning, but try to avoid it. Okay, now please turn right into Vic Roads car park. So सामने से गाड़ियाँ आ रही हैं, we will let them go because we are turning right, they are turning left, so it's their right. Any car who is going straight ahead, we will also give them way. This car is also turning left, let them turn left, and then we will turn right. If there is no congestion on the right side, then यहाँ से लेफ्ट टर्न कीजिएगा। वो बोलेगा आपसे कि प्लीज़ पार्क एनीवेयर वेयर इट्स सेफ, you don't need to put your signals on because the road is already bending. Okay. अगर आपको यहाँ पे कहीं जगह नहीं मिल रही, it's okay, keep on turning and park from where you started, and you are not bound to park like with the reverse parking thingy. Don't do it, just face in. यहाँ पे मैंने सिग्नल लगाया because we can go straight as well. There is a pedestrian crossing, no pedestrian, keep on turning. The signal has got cancelled, please put your signals again on. Okay. Now park anywhere you like. So I will be parking on the left side. Okay. No need to do reverse. Just park the car safely. Okay, put in parking, raise the handbrake, cancel the signal and switch off the car. Thank you guys. I hope आप लोगों ने इसको enjoy किया होगा and best of luck.